Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, Рыбак и рыбка, часть 2, страница 68, 69, 70, 71. English, Starlight 2, The Fisherman and the Fish, homework, page number 68, 69, 70, 71. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 68. 68. The fisherman and the fish. Listen, point to the pictures and say. Слушай, покажи на картинке и скажи. Storm, thunder, a flash of lightning, wet. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Your Majesty, says the old man, frightened. What can I do for you? I am queen of the land, she says. But I want to be queen of the land and sea. I want the golden fish to be my servant. Go away, old man, and tell the fish. The old man is very sad. He goes back to the sea again. There is a big storm at sea. The sky is black and it is raining. There is a lot of thunder. The old man calls the fish. Suddenly, there is a big flash of lightning. The fish swims up to the old man. The fisherman is very wet and he looks very sad. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 69. 69. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and answer the questions. Прочтите историю еще раз и ответьте на вопросы. What does the fisherman's wife want to be? What's the weather like? How does the fisherman feel? The answer. The fisherman's wife wants to be queen of the land and sea. There is a big storm at sea. The sky is black and it is raining. There is a lot of thunder. The fisherman is very sad. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose the right words. Читайте и выбирайте правильные слова. The answer. Go away. I don't want to talk to you. What can I do for you? Let's all go to the sea today. There's a big ship in sea. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and complete the text. Прочтите и дополните текст. Land, servant, rich. Sea, palace. The answer. I am queen of the land. but I want to be queen of the sea too. I'm very rich. I live in a palace. I want the golden fish to be my servant. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 70. Exercise number 4. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Thunder, thunder. Thunder and lightning. Thunder, thunder. It is very frightening. Thunder, thunder. Can you hear it? Listen to it. Boom, boom, boom. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 71. 71. Exercise number 1. Read the words and the text to your friend. Прочтите слова и тексты своему другу. I. Lightning. Bright. Light. Night. Tonight. Frightening. Frightened. Starlight. Star bright. First star I see tonight. I wish for a flash of lightning. Oh, a storm in a teacup. Tom Little is a very small boy. One morning he goes for a walk. He sees a fork on a table. He walks up the fork, but then he falls into a teacup. Tom calls for help. Suddenly he looks up. Oh, he says, a storm. The cup fills with water. Tom swims and climbs out. Time to go home for tea, Tom says. Ah, a little puppy. Mommy, come and see, says Gus. There's a puppy in our garden. They run to the garden and they see a beautiful puppy. Look at the puppy, says Mommy. It can run and jump. We need a name for the little puppy, says Mommy. I know, says Gus. Let's call him Thunder. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Say the words, complete the list. Скажи слова. Заполните списки в своей тетради. Raining, friend. Dance, girl. Snowing, birthday, farm. Can't, clever, servant. Spring, leg. The answer. Raining, snowing, spring. Girl, birthday, servant. Dance, farm, can't. Friend, clever, leg. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.